Poetry.
Kancane.
Yeah. Separation of the mental with the physical. It is detrimental to own the consciousness of your astral being after being in Zen, and then you go a level deeper. Eager, you become colliding tidal currents, currently redefining oceans, your potions. They pause and lay eyes on. Poseidon is mesmerized. It is a tale of creation.
Look out the windows. There, near the forbidden tree of apples, magnificent vistas in this garden of heathens, and Eve bit the logo. A snake slithers on the bark, downwards. Adam hides his genitals with a leaf.
A tale of knowledge.
Your body is not a temple. It is more than that. Every aorta is a stream of water. Every blood cell stomps disease on its chest. As it falls into a black hole, the cells shout, "This is Sparta." Every helix in your deoxyribonucleic acid is a mortar.
Separation.
Tell them you are more than warmth. Your aura powers 1,000 suns. You generate the interlocking mechanism for the solar system to orbit around the center of the Milky Way.
A tale of pride.
Beneath every shed covering melanin lays a spectacular map of scars to a treasure trove, a land probed, promised, but never delivered. Legend has it that our forefathers have the same marks.
Butterfly effect.
But remember that every breath is a decision to die later.
And every death begins when the doctor tries to die later.
So when the elders dialogue with time masters, you sit and listen.
Blinking cuts a moment out of time.
Learn that you will live to die under a different moon.
Understand that your spine is destined to be aligned with the ground.
Don't be too comfortable in your cocoon.
Acknowledge that your soul will eventually be tattooed on butterfly wings. That's where your beauty comes from. Shades of black.
No matter how much UV rays your skin absorbs, the black gets blacker.
Only your mother can smack it off your face.
Even then, it finds its way back.
Black is embargo.
Black was lenient when you sailed on its shores with your cargo.
Black absorbs light as fire does air.
It is a tomb of stories untold, unraveled through a tale of brotherhood.
You are them. They are rhythm. Right now, you keep dancing. Nothing is the matter with your movement. Your skeleton is a base metal, flesh, an alchemist, turning your being into gold. Separate the you now from the old. Take a glimpse at your energy in the eyes of beautiful strangers. Your joy molecules rattle the viscometer detector, and light scatters. Love. It does that
Sometimes.